The price is a long way below its all-time high. People are starting to feel hopeless. During this period of growing doubt, a terrible event took place. It got worse because of this. In any case, this may be something we've needed for a long time. More and more people who are new to Bitcoin see it as a place to gamble. The things they do are buying and selling money at random. It completely stops the natural growth of any coin project that wants to succeed. What does BlackRock have to do with this? Why is this such an important moment in the history of cryptocurrency? Let me explain. Hello, and welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily dose of Shiba. If you want to know more about Shiba, this is the place for you. In order to stay ahead of the crypto business and know about all the latest news and predictions, you should subscribe. Click the like button to get more Shiba info. Recently, there has been less and less excitement in the cryptocurrency business. It looks like progress has stopped because there aren't any big steps forward or exciting new ideas. Things have been getting worse lately. Companies that make Ethereum ETFs, like BlackRock, sent in reports. They didn't look good. For 8 days in a row, there have been losses. This means that buyers have begun taking their money out. In fact, this is not only a small event that doesn't add to the sense of stagnation in the coin sector, it adds to it. Withdrawing money from Ethereum ETFs has made things even worse for everyone. With these withdrawals and the lack of new energy, the market has become even less active than it was before. There's no question that this has a big effect on other cryptocurrency projects, like Shiba Inu. With its dog-themed logos, Shiba Inu has always been aware of its connection to the world of dogs. Being in line with the token's identity, this party gets good attention. In a market that isn't moving, this kind of contact could spark interest and get people excited again. It's a reminder of what makes Shiba Inu special and how important they will always be. Even though cryptocurrencies as a whole may be moving slowly, Shiba Inu is taking advantage of this to get more attention and maybe even strengthen its place in the market. What's important though is how Shiba Inu is now making a difference. Shiba Inu has been getting a lot of press lately. New information from the on-chain site into the block shows that whales are talking a lot more about Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu sales of all sizes have gone up a lot in the last 24 hours. The total amount of these deals has hit an amazing 1 trillion Shiba Inus, which is more than $19 million. It's important to note that there were 69 big deals with an average value of over 20 billion Shiba Inus, or almost $300,000 each. The block was searched to find deals worth more than $100,000. At the moment, deals are about 3 times bigger, which is a big deal. The latest changes in the price of Shiba Inus can be explained by the rise in whale activity. The fact that big buyers are trading more gives us more information about how the token is doing right now. As a result, Shiba Inu prices have gone up a lot lately. After this price rise, there was a small sell-off, which led to a small drop. Still, buyers quickly returned to the market, which caused prices to rise slightly before they settled into a more stable trend. These sudden changes in prices usually mean that more people are buying. A sudden rise in price usually means that big players in the market are involved. The fact that there are more trades for Shiba Inu supports this. It looks like bulls and whales are keeping a close eye on Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's price went up by a noticeable 6% last week, according to data from the blockchain. No one knows how long this boost will last. At the moment, Shiba Inu is getting a lot of attention again. Along with that, this is very important. Remember how I talked about the 8 days of Ethereum ETF outflows? The story changes in big ways. Bitcoin is showing a much stronger upward trend and is doing better than previous bull market rounds. It's really cool. According to a new story on X, Bitcoin's current bull run is longer than the ones in 2015 and 2018. A lot of buyers are paying attention to this because it shows a big rise in momentum. This finding shows how unstable the cryptocurrency market is. Even though there are problems in some places, Bitcoin is setting new standards and having a big effect. The difference between Bitcoin's huge success and Ethereum's recent losses shows how unstable the cryptocurrency market is right now. Even though Bitcoin is going up, the fact that Ethereum ETFs are volatile shows that not all areas are doing well. This could mean that the current withdrawals from the Ethereum ETF aren't really a big deal and are just getting in the way of bigger earnings. This is an interesting discovery. Last time you looked at the price charts, there may not have been much going on. Several months before they were announced, Ethereum ETFs had big effects on Bitcoin. Before, there was a lot of turbulence and excitement in the market every day. Every day brought new highs and lows, which was thrilling to see. The scene is now moving on. Prices don't seem to be changing much, and they're stuck in a routine that keeps happening. For investors who are used to the constant thrill of daily fluctuation, this change may be quite frustrating. After the changes in the past, the current stability may seem like a letdown. What is the cause of this event? Someone on X gave a clear answer. According to them, the market is now in a time when most people are committed for the long run. They don't worry as much about short-term changes in prices. A lot of people get more excited and interested around local peaks or when Bitcoin goes through big rises like in 2017 and 2021. On the other hand, these longer lateral stages might be very helpful. They help get rid of traders and buyers who are too emotional and act without thinking when small news stories happen or prices change. This is especially true for the recent rush of people investing in cryptocurrencies. A lot of people who are new to cryptocurrency see it as a risky business and spend their money randomly in the hopes of making quick profits. This has caused a lot of volatility, which makes it harder for many cryptocurrency projects to create stability. Feelings of peace and security might be just what the market needs right now. It might get rid of people who only think about the short term and traders, which would help the market build a stronger base over time. In the long run, this could make things much better for everyone involved. A lot of coins, including Shiba Inu, may have already reached this level, but Bitcoin and Ethereum must lead the way if we want long-term growth. This then has something to do with what we talked about before about Ethereum ETFs. Ethereum's ETF losses may look like a problem, but the way the market is right now suggests that we may be in a period of consolidation. This could set the stage for a new rise if the market stabilizes and important assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum show faster growth. Concerning Ethereum, a lot of people think that once the inflows from Ethereum ETFs stop, the cryptocurrency could be ready for a big rise soon. Some experts think that the market value of Ethereum could reach $3 trillion. Ethereum now has a market value of $334 billion, which is almost 10 times what it was before. When Ethereum was at the height of its bull run in November 2021, its market value briefly surpassed $500 billion. If Ethereum's market capitalization went over $3 trillion, it would mean that its price had gone up a lot. The cryptocurrency business as a whole might be affected by this kind of growth. So what does this mean for Shiba Inus? In the past, Shiba Inus have done well when the Bitcoin market has been generally going up. It's likely that Shiba Inu will also benefit from the growing trend if Ethereum reaches its lofty goal. Based on how much it's worth now,